not with her.
मैडम इनको पहले टाइम देंगे क्या सॉल्व करने के लिए, कैसा करेंगे?
हाँ हाँ, टाइम देंगे। पहले मैं अभी जो हमने किया इसको जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लूंगी 5 मिनट में, एंड देन वी आई विल शेयर द क्वेश्चन पेपर.
यस.
Questions. Possible format for questions. So I'll just quickly share with everyone, and yes. So what we did today, because there's too much information and yes, we will just quickly revise this and then we will go on to the format of the questions. So these are the sentence problems that we did, the 4-5 kinds, the parallel structure, then we did capitalization. Always remember, always use capital letters when you are beginning a sentence, proper nouns, abbreviations, months, days, festival names, someone's name, title, definitely before someone's name, for pronoun I, and for the first letter in quotation. Then title capitalization, we capitalize the first word, last word, and important words. And what we do not capitalize are the articles, coordinating conjunctions, and prepositions. Then we did the exercise on capital letters, then inverted commas, single inverted commas, quotation and capitalization, then exercise, then ellipsis, the exercise on ellipsis, then we did parenthesis, the extra information, then it is, I mean, without that information also the sentence makes sense, dashes, and then italics, numerals, the rules with numerals, and percentages. So that is what we did. Now I am going to be sharing the format, how, what kind of questions you may get. Okay, so I just want to share with everyone. We'll be showing certain questions on the screen. We will give you time to solve those questions. Preeti ma'am, please, could you give the instructions, all the instructions related with questions?
यस मैडम.
Yeah.
फ्रेंड्स, मैडम आपसे कुछ 30-35 क्वेश्चंस करा के लेंगे, जिसमें एक क्वेश्चंस और 4 ऑप्शंस है उसके. पहले आप क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, उसका आंसर 1 2 3 4 में से जो भी होगा वो लिख लीजिए. देन आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, उसके बाद फिर मैडम हर क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर बताएंगे. इज इट ओके मैम?
Yes, yes, yes,
सो
absolutely.
प्लीज बी रेडी विथ योर कॉपी एंड पेन. क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं लिखेंगे, क्वेश्चन रीड करिए सिर्फ, और क्वेश्चन 1 नंबर डाल के उसका जो भी सही आंसर होगा वो लिखे रखिए. मैडम प्लीज शेयर.
Yes. So everyone, are you ready? So जब आपके स्क्रीन पे आएंगे क्वेश्चंस तो आप उनका जो भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा उसको नोट डाउन करके रखिए. ओके, एंड
और एक चीज, दीज आर द प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चंस. इसके जैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एग्जाम में यही क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, जरूरी नहीं है. तो इसको प्लीज कॉपी पेस्ट या तो स्नैपशॉट वगैरह ऐसा कुछ भी मत निकालिए. और ये रिकॉर्डिंग्स आपके साथ शेयर होने ही वाला है, तो आप लोग इसी को रिवाइज भी कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इसी के भरोसे नहीं रहना है, जो भी मैडम ने पढ़ाया है वो पूरा रिवाइज करिए, इसके जैसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं.
yes, bilkul. So shall we start? Are all the participants there? Yes, okay. And be very attentive, और जो करेक्ट आंसर्स हैं उनको ध्यान से बिल्कुल बताइए. Okay, this is unit 5. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So जो भी ऑप्शन आपको ठीक लग रहा है आंसर 1 2 3 4 में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड करेक्ट ऑप्शन just write it in your diary notebook wherever you are noting down और फिर हम उनके आंसर्स चेक करेंगे इसके बाद oops sorry done question number 1 to 6
No, ma'am. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
okay the 7th question is on the screen Done till question number 10?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now 7 to 13.
Thirteen is not able to see completely.
Which one you are not able to see?
13.
13th. Okay.
Yeah. Now okay.
Okay. Done till 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 17, 18.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Wait.
Done.
Okay.
Dolphins.
Done till 20th?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Done, madam.
Done?
Ma'am.
22 to 26 now.
घर को गए घर गए पानी खत्म हो गया कॉल आया उसको किसी कॉल आया किसी का
Ma'am, can you please mute yourself? Are we done till 29th?
प्लीज मैडम, अभी हुआ नहीं है 28.
Okay.
तक
Next.
Okay. So it's still 35 only. Has everyone completed?
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Done.
All?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
shall we discuss the answers now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. So I don't know the answers. You will tell me the answers. Yes.
The first
The
one
first
is
one.
4.
Fourth.
Fourth one.
4.
Fourth
One, ma'am.
is the correct one.
Four.
Yes.
One.
Fourth.
Second one.
1.
Second first.
Second.
Second first, ma'am. Answer one.
First.
Second, first is the correct answer. Yes, first is the correct answer.
Three
Then
first.
3.
three,
3.
Third.
Third.
Three.
Third.
Both options correct.
Both options are
both
correct.
options are correct. So question number 3, answer is
Third.
3.
3.
Third.
Word division.
All three options
All
are
three
correct.
options
Number
are correct.
four.
All three options, ma'am. Fourth one.
Four.
Fourth one.
Option number 4. Absolutely correct. Yes. Then
Number five,
it is
ma'am.
used to
Hyphen.
link
Second.
words. Hyphen.
Hyphen.
To link hyphen. The second option is correct. Then next,
Three.
distinguish
Ma'am, both options.
Third. Both.
underlining and italics. Both are correct. Yes. It is used at the end of all direct
First.
questions. Question mark.
Question mark.
First question mark.
Also used to divide hour from the minutes in writing time in English.
Colon.
Colon.
Colon, third one.
Colon.
Third one. Yes. Yes. The most common use in English for contraction of a word.
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe, ma'am.
Apostrophe.
The second.
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Yes. Yes. It is used to express surprise, astonishment, or other strong emotions. Yes.
Question mark.
Yes. It is used to separate the whole number from decimal in writing.
Eight.
Eight.
Eight, first one.
First one.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Bona fide means
Genuine. Third number.
Genuine.
Made up bond.
genuine.
Genuine, ma'am. Third one.
It is used when omitting a word, phrase, line from a passage.
Ellipsis.
Ellipsis. Third one.
Yes, ellipsis. Yes, absolutely correct. Next is
First.
the dash is
Ma'am, the weather. First one.
the first.
First one.
Yes. Meaning of faux pas.
Social blunder. First one.
Social blunder. Yes. Yes. First one. Meaning of bon voyage.
Have a nice trip.
Trip.
Have a nice trip.
Nice trip.
Yes. Yes. Question mark.
Question mark. Third one. Both options are.
Options are correct.
Options are correct. Yes. What a strong woman. Choose the correct punctuation.
First one.
First one.
Exclamation.
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 Semicolon. 30, 19 number.
It is
Answer number 4.
separate sentence.
Used to separate sentence.
Semicolon are used only
नहीं
for the longer use, and it is used to separate sentence. In a one and third option.
हाँ, one and three.
One and
And third options.
one and three are
हाँ. Only 1 and 3 options are correct.
three. Correct.
Yes. Yes, somebody could you please mute? 20th, all the challenges of online learning. So 20th.
All three options are correct, ma'am. Number 4 number.
3 options are same.
All three options are same.
Yes. How shocking.
Exclamation.
Exclamation. Third one.
Exclamation. Yes, emotion. Choose the correct option. I'm going home and I won't return.
First one.
Number 1, ma'am.
First one.
First one.
First one
First
is
one.
correct. Only the first
one.
one is correct.
Comma
Why is
and.
the second one? Yes, comma and. Yes.
And.
Why is the second one not correct?
And because there is a pronoun.
Here is coordinating conjunction.
So there is a
Conjunction.
semicolon.
There should be. There should
So
be.
just a comma before the coordinating conjunction would do. Semicolon. अगर semicolon है तो and is not needed.
Yes.
Okay. Question number 23. Used for first letter in a sentence,
Capital letter.
names of
Letters.
persons.
Capital letters.
Yes.
First one.
Capital letters.
Capital
Letter.
letters.
Choose the correct
New York,
option.
second option, ma'am.
Second. Second
B,
option.
B.
New York is a big city. Second
is the
option.
correct.
Second one.
Yes. A ship's captain is an example of.
Possessive apostrophe.
Possessive.
Possessive.
Apostrophe.
Absolutely. Absolutely. The punctuation mark for parenthesis is.
First one.
First one, bracket.
First one.
Bracket.
Yes. Yes.
Start a sentence
We
with a-
can start a sentence with a numeral.
Yes,
That
one.
is false sentence, ma'am. It is not correct.
True.
It is not correct.
Okay, not correct.
False.
No, it's
False.
false.
False. False.
28. The meaning of modus operandi.
Method of operating. 2.
Method of operating.
Method of
Method of
operating.
operating.
Yes. Yes. 29th. Which punctuation mark is used for compound numbers up to 99?
Hyphen.
Hyphen. Absolutely correct. Which spelling is correct? Yeah.
Third one.
Yes.
Third one,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. 30th, 31st. Which punctuation mark is used to introduce a list?
Comma. Colon. Colon.
Colon.
Colon. Colon is used to introduce
Colon,
a
colon.
list. That is important. Next,
Choose the
choose the
correct
correct
option.
option.
Second one.
Second one. Second one.
Both are correct.
Both
Third
are
one, ma'am. Third. Third one.
third. Both are correct because there is a semicolon because there are two
Yeah.
independent clauses.
Yeah. Both
Or
are correct.
second wale mein, I like to read and write mein, there is only one clause. Read and write compound word ho gayi. So both the options are correct.
Correct.
Then which punctuation mark is used in 8 o'clock?
Apostrophe.
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 Apostrophe, ma'am.
Yes. And
Yeah,
33 got left.
Second.
So choose the correct
Second
option.
one.
The second
One.
option.
Second one.
Yes.
Second one.
Yes. And 35th is first letter in a quotation should never be capitalized.
False.
False.
It is false.
False.
Fine.
So wonderful.
It should be
Very
capital.
well done. I think you all have got all the, I think the understanding very, very clear. That is important. Important thing is to understand. And I think everything that you answered right now, bang on mark, all correct. So with this, we have almost come to the end of our session. 3 days, wonderful time I've had with everyone. And I hope that whatever we have done in the sessions here will stay with all the participants for always, forever. Like you will remember these points. So anything you wish to share from your side, please feel free. We have, I think, 5 to 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, 3 days with your session were very wonderful. I learned much. And for punctuation and grammar, I was relied on Microsoft Word, but now I think I guess I could write my own. And I think I would like to share, although I have this book, but I never read before. I think it is time now to read. Okay. It is Oxford's A to Z Grammar and Punctuation. So it is a new insight for me that I should go with a proper language, proper punctuated language, and I should write properly. So thank you very much for making aware about importance of correct language uses. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing and taking the initiative to take this ahead. Like, this is just the beginning, yes, and there is no limit to how much one can learn. So, you have started with this initiative, you've got the book, you shared the book. I mean, you showed us the book, so wonderful, so wonderful. It's really inspirational to get to know that somewhere a little impact has been made. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I'm getting such wonderful messages here in the chat box. Excellent. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you for all your feedback. I mean, you were so enthusiastic and eager to learn. That eagerness to learn, like I shared on the first day also, it brings in a new kind of energy and positivity. So work everyone is doing, but working with passion and working with enthusiasm, and for that getting the kind of response and recognition, it it is really a completely invigorating experience. So I have really enjoyed. So wonderful. I'm getting such positive messages. Thank you so much. And please, let's carry home one more important point today. Let's all work on our language, because our language is going to define actually the students who are coming in contact with us also. We are shaping their future. So my proficiency over language, like in the beginning, Govind sir had also shared, and all of us are already aware that our proficiency is directly impacting the way we are dealing with others. So let's really build this very strong proficiency, so that we can see the results that we wish to exist in the society. And yes, future generations can really benefit. Thank you so much. I mean, Preeti ma'am, I think this is one of the most responsive, most enthusiastic, most interactive batches that we have experienced in online
Yes, ma'am.
learning. Yes, I mean, it is so wonderful, so encouraging, and the messages are just pouring in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Thank you.
enthusiasm which you showed in teaching, that increased our enthusiasm to learn more and more.
थैंक यू. और जो मैम मराठी में और हिंदी में कर रहे थे, मैम आपके कैसा रहा? अभी जो आंसर्स हमने किए उनका कैसा रिजल्ट रहा आपका?
मराठी और हिंदी वाले पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
मॅडम अच्छा रिझल्ट रहा मॅडम.
मॅडम बहुतांश बरोबर निघालेत.
ओके. करू शकाल ना एग्जाम मध्ये?
मॅक्सिमम मार्क करेक्ट.
एग्जाम में कर सकेंगे ना?
आई विल ट्राई मैम.
मेरे 5 रॉन्ग आए हैं लेकिन 30 राइट है. मैं हिंदी की स्टूडेंट हूँ, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत सारी बारीकियां जो मैडम ने ग्रामर में बताई हैं,
जी.
तो बहुत अच्छा, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है.
देखिए, मैडम ने जो पढ़ाया है 3 दिन में, वही चीजें आप लोगों को रिवाइज करनी है फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए. इससे बाहर का कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. क्वेश्चन जैसे अभी आपसे कराया है, इसी पैटर्न में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. अभी आप लोग इतना कर सकते हैं, तो और 1 वीक रिवाइज करेंगे तो 25 तारीख तक आराम से सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएगी. कोई भी बाहर के बुक्स के वगैरह अभी कुछ मत पढ़िए. मैडम ने जो पीपीटी कराया है, मैडम के रिकॉर्डिंग्स 1-2 बार और सुन लीजिए, तो आपके और अच्छे कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे. तो एग्जाम तो आप इजीली, मतलब एज फार एज यूनिट 5 इज कंसर्न, आपका अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन हो गया है अभी. तो थोड़ा रिवीजन करेंगे तो और अच्छा हो जाएगा. So thank you so much, madam, from all the participants and from our college, HRDC Nagpur. Thank you so much, ma'am. See you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Preeti
somebody
ma'am?
wants to say something. हाँ?
प्रीति मैम?
Yes, yes.
मैम के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन
मैम, कल के सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग्स नहीं आई है ना?
Yes, sir. मैं अभी अपलोड ही कर रही हूँ, तो मैं अभी सेंड कर.
ओके मैम.
2 वीडियोस हो
Okay,
गए
ma'am.
अपलोड. 2 videos are still remaining. I am just uploading it.
या मैम.
ठीक है?
ओके ओके थैंक यू
मैम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स अवेलेबल नहीं है मैम मूडल वेबसाइट पे।
नहीं, ये वाले कोर्स के नहीं है, ये वाले यूनिट के, क्योंकि मैडम ने अभी आप लोगों से कराए हैं ना, दोज आर द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस ओनली।
या ओके ओके
ठीक है?
फाइन मैम ओके या
So thank you so much, Divya madam.
Thank you so much. I'll take your leave now, everyone. Wishing everyone all the best for all your future ventures, endeavors, efforts, hard work, everything. Keep shining, keep learning, and keep racing ahead. So thank you so much. I had a
Thank you,
super
ma'am. Thank you
great
for the
time with
wishes.
everyone.
Thank you for your wishes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. I'll leave the meeting now. Bye bye. Please take care.
Thank you
you.
so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, now we have finished with our unit 5 just now. एक यूनिट अपना हो गया है। टायर सर ने अपना यूनिट 1 के मैक्सिमम टॉपिक कवर किए हैं एंड फ्रॉम टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट यूनिट 3. Dr. Ashish Linge sir will cover that part, unit 3 and simultaneously unit 4 in the afternoon session. Computer data analysis by using Excel. तो कल अपन 2 यूनिट साइमल्टेनियसली चालू करेंगे, यूनिट 3 एंड यूनिट 4. So see you tomorrow at 10:15 and please do start your revision and seminar PowerPoint presentation also. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए. Good day.
Hello, madam. I
Thank you.
have just one question.
Yes, sir.
Hello, madam. हे विचारायचं होतं जे पीपीटी मराठीमध्ये बनवलेलं असते ना, जेव्हा ते पीपीटी तुमच्याकडे सेंड करत तेव्हा त्याचा फॉन्ट बदलून जात असतो,
सर
तर
मगाशी
त्याला मग
मगाशी तेच सांगितलं की ज्यांचं मराठी आणि हिंदीमध्ये आहे, त्यांनी PDF मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा आणि
PDF.
मग सेंड करा.
ओके ओके
ठीक आहे?
ठीक आहे ओके
ओके.
हां ओके
ओके. प्राची मॅडम, प्राची भोंगळे.
मॅम
मॅडम तुम्हाला काही डाऊट होता, तुम्ही यामध्ये विचारत होते ग्रुपमध्ये?
नाही नाही मॅम
काहीतरी मला गुगल फॉर्म मधून काही मेसेजेस दिसले तुमचे, तर तुम्हाला डाऊट क्लिअर नाही झालाय का पीपीटीचा?
माझं झालं मॅम, मी कोणाला तरी रिस्पॉन्ड केलंय की गुगल फॉर्म्स वरच अपलोड करायचंय म्हणून, कोणीतरी
ओके,
क्वेश्चन
ओके.
विचारलेलं.
ओके ओके फाईन फाईन फाईन. ठीक आहे मॅम.
या ओके मॅम थँक्यू.
ओके.